Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes. I work at Analysis Prime as a senior consultant on the experts team. And today I'm going to introduce a new function that was released in the first quarter of 2024. This is the SAP.MEMBERPROPERTY function. And this will return the value of a specified property for specified dimension members. So here I've set up a table, and then over here I've included the calculation. So take a look. What I've done is I've brought in the data source. As you can see, my data source is this for the model. And then the dimension property I plan to bring in is from the account dimension. And then in this case, what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing from the table the member ID, and I'm using a formula to get that. So I'm doing left from the account, which is the member ID and the description. So I'm doing a left, and then I'm doing the first four on the left, which will, in this case, provide me with 5101. And I'm doing the entire table. And I'm looking for the property named new, and the orientation I'm going to use is horizontal, which I've done here. So when I do that, you can see I actually will use the entire table. You could do one at a time if you want and enter each one of them one at a time, but in this case I've saved time and I'm just dragging the array down and doing the left of each one of these rows. And so you can see here the member property just reads yes if it's new under the member ID. So I hope that helps. I can see where this may be helpful if you're building get data tables and you want to see the member property for those specific dimension IDs, so this would help with that. Thank you and have a great day.